Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Wise Money Transfer in 2024 in less than 3 minutes. So let's get started. So the first thing that you would need to do is to create your Wise account. So I suggest that you check the link in the description below to create your free Wise account. And once you are done registering for Wise and verifying your account, then you would need to click here on send. If you haven't verified your account yet, don't worry, you will be able to verify your account in the process of sending the money because Wise doesn't allow unverified accounts to send money. So from here, you want to choose the amount that you want to send, say 200, and then choose the currency right here. So let's say you want to go for euro right there. So it's 200 euros, and then the recipient currency that they would receive in. So let's say you want it to be in, let's go for rupee. And then right here, so this is the amount that you will get, and then you can choose your payment method here. So click on change, and then you can choose anything right here. So the options that you have right here, or the methods, would depend on the currency that you are sending or the recipient is receiving. So it might not have the same for you right here. So let's go for debit card for an example. And from here, you can see the arrival of the funds. It's estimated would be 30 minutes, and you can see the fees right here. And once you're done, click on continue. And then from here, you would need to add the details of your recipient. So in this case, let's say they don't have a Wise account, so they don't have a Wise tag email or phone number in Wise. So we'll just go for enter bank details. And from here, I'm just gonna go for someone else. So let's say it's someone else, and then you would want to provide their details right here. But in my case, I'll just go for myself for faster process right here. And I'm just gonna go here and add a phone number, the account number right there. So that is just an example, and then hit confirm. And then after that, you would need to provide a reason for your review, for your transfer. And I'll just go for cash gift right here, click continue. And then after that, you would now review the transaction if everything is good with you. And then once everything is good, click on continue to payment right here. And then after that, all that's left is for you to pay for your transfer, provide your credit card number depending on your payment method that you chose right here. So just pay, and the transaction will now be completed in about 30 minutes because that was the estimated time frame, just like I have shown you earlier. So it is stated that it is 30 minutes. So now once you pay for this, everything will be done. And if you don't have a verified account when you're sending this transaction, so that would mean that you would have to verify your account in the process. So that is basically it for this video on how you can use Wise Money Transfer in 2024. Thank you for watching.